Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 07384813882, and today we have a 2012 Holden Captiva 7 CX. Stock reference number 4573. This shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 6th month 2018. There's a Z22 D1, 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. Z22 D1, 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand side, the rear and the front. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, right hand headlight does have light sun cracks, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight also light sun cracks. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a bald tyre. Left front door has 3 small dents. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Unfortunately, not much has survived on the rear end of the vehicle. It does have 3rd row seats in leather. Right rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right power door mirror. Mirror is 2 different colours. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right front, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof and sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, non-light type, right hand sun visor, also non-light type, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.